At Alfa Romeo's design centre, Centro Stile, an idea is born. The initial idea is revised and improved over and over again, each step taking it closer to perfection. This will be the new Alfa 75. At the moment, it's just a pile of technical drawings and a simple clay model. These designs and models are further checked and examined for possible improvements before being handed over to skilled craftsmen to produce a full-size mock-up of the car from such mundane materials as hessian, chalk and iron pipes. The finished representation gives an excellent idea of the eventual production model. A few days ago, this was no more than an idea. The styling exercise is examined by a committee of experts, each looking for possible flaws in the design. After thorough inspection, it is passed on for further development. Using extremely precise instruments, the full-size model is measured and evaluated, every millimetre of the car's surface being checked before it is programmed into the design computer. It has passed the test. The new shape is now approved. Before making the next step towards a completed working prototype, the vision must be translated to computer codes to be further refined by the expertise of the electronic brain. The vision that is to be the Alfa 75 is now held on computer tape. All the dimensions and capacities that make the car a whole. The idea, now encoded on the tape, is divided into its structural components and evaluated for any gains that can be made in the areas of strength, efficiency, or ease of manufacture. Not a millimetre of the new 75 structure escapes this minute scrutiny of its construction. It is a complex process using the latest in computer technology to visualize the new car's structures in a three-dimensional form, allowing the technicians to make any necessary design changes and test them on the computer, rather than having to make a possibly flawed vehicle and then test its limitations. In this way, all of the design faults have been removed before even a single car has been built. From here, the process begins again to produce a series of master mouldings to make the Alfa 75's master model, from which all of the production vehicles will be copied. first series of hand-cut metal panels are made, and the new chassis starts to take shape. The Alfa 75 concept is now almost a complete car. The dream has become reality. But the process is nowhere near complete. The checks and rechecks continue. The entire car is measured minutely yet again. The next step is a pilot production run of a dozen cars. 12 cars are assembled, upholstered and fitted with their mechanical components, just as the full production cars will be built on Alfa's production line. Now, the testing can begin in earnest. After an exacting series of final tests and controls, the new Alfa 75 can now finally show its breeding on the test track. The culmination of a dream, an idea born of 75 years of high-quality, high-performance motor car production. The Alfa 75, the product of Alfa Romeo's modern computer-controlled design and production techniques. An intelligent symbiosis of man and machine brought together to guarantee the quality and the character of Alfa Romeo.